Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see how to create a new free tier AWS account. First, open Google and type free tier sign in. Whenever you type AWS free trial sign in Google and click enter, then you found these are the like this the URLs and the names will be. From there, you can select whatever the name with AWS free tier or https awsamazon.com / free. In this way, is there any URL? Then you need to open it. Then you can found this page. You can go to this page. Here, you just click on create free account. Create free account. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here, what you need to do is AWS account details that you need to fill. Whenever you are signing in, you must need to provide email and password, right? That you need to set here. Write the email here and password here, confirm the password, and whatever the account name that you want to put, that you need to put here, and then click on continue. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here, you have to select the account details. That is, put account type as personal only. If you put professional, then it leads to another issue. Put account type as personal only. Then you need to provide your full name and phone number and which country you're from and address, city, state, postal code, and then check the box which you are seeing here, and then click on continue. Click on create account and continue. Then the page will be redirected to here. Here you need to set the correct card details, that is either debit card or credit card, and click on secure submit. Here you need to provide the card details, expiry and expiry date and card holder's name and the address or email that you need to provide, and then finally you need to click on secure submit. After that, you're gonna came to this page. Here you need to set the details and click on contact me, because to these details only the OTP will be sent. You need to set the country, phone number, and write the security check here, and then just click on check me. Whenever you click on check me, then you got an OTP that you need to enter here, 4-digit OTP. And then finally your identity is verified, and then click on continue. Now this is very important. This is very important part, that is which support plan you need to choose. Since you are creating your account for the first time, you need to choose basic support for free. This will provide you, only this will provide you free tier. So which support plan do you need to choose? Basic support plan. If you choose other plans, then it may not provide you the free tier. So just choose this basic support. It is free for you and there is no charge for it. You can see no charge for it. If you see the other, developer support has $29 per month, and coming to business support, it asking $100 per month. So if you need enterprise level, then you need to pay $15,000 per month. So like this, the charges will be. You need to choose the basic support plan so that your account will be created. Now, after this, now you have your email and password that you have set in the first step. ready for you to log into AWS Management Console, and you can use your services that are provided by AWS. So while creating this account, it will charge a bit. That is, if you are in India, then it will charge you, I think, 5 rupees, and it will again debit you that amount. It will debit you that amount and credit you that amount as well back. So you don't need to worry about it. Whenever you pay the bill, then only the money is cut. Don't go for other services other than the things that I am telling. If you go for other services, if you are not performing the labs simultaneously with me, then you will be charged. So be careful while maintaining the account, and just check the billing dashboard to watch the bills that was generated. If you want to pay, then pay by using the billing dashboard and by using the card you provided here. The card you provided here is just for payment payment method option. Whenever you are going to payment, then this option is available to pay by using this card. So that's it. For that's what only you are providing your card details. Coming to email and password, to sign in, you must need a identity, right? For that, you are providing that. So in this way, you can able to create your AWS account, basic free tier account, and from future class onwards, you can now able to use the AWS labs as well. So I hope you understood from this video that how to create your AWS account. So thanks for watching. If you feel this video is contentful, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.